Hello everybody, welcome to SM Education Services. So in this video we are going to talk about MCC round 1 choice filling activity. Finally we have got the day we were waiting for from a very long time, that when the choice filling is going to start, which is the most important activity of the counseling process. We are going to discuss in detail about how to approach the counseling process to get the best result possible in your rank and all the factors that you have. We are also going to discuss with some questions that queries that we received from candidates. Okay, so let's get started. So by now you must have seen or must have registered to the MCC website, okay, for the counseling. If you have not registered it, you can go to the new registration link that you can see on the left side, and you can do registration. Once you do the registration, you will get the credential generated, username and password, and anytime using those credentials you can log in, and after you log in you will get the options to do the payment and choice filling. So the payment has been active from last 1 day, so you can go ahead and do the payment. For the payment, those candidates who are looking only for government colleges all India quota, okay, so you will need to do the payment for that particularly, and those who want to include deemed university as well for the choice filling, so you need to do the payment including government and deemed. So you have to pay 2 lakhs and 5,000. So once you do the payment for deemed 2 lakhs and 5,000, you are automatically eligible for all India quota. You don't have to do separate payment for all India quota and central universities. Okay, so this is one of the doubt that the candidate had. And one more question that we got from many candidates, that which is the last date for registration. People are worried that, okay, if we don't register now, it is it something like I might miss the date, or the last date for registration got expired, then what to do? The last date of registration and the last date of choice filling and the last date of payment is 22nd. So anybody who has not registered yet, no problem, you can register until 22nd. But I would suggest you, I would recommend you to register as soon as possible, so that you can avoid such problems that you face through server error. So it happens that many times a lot of people try to access the site mcc.nic.in at a time. They face server error due to load problem. So better you do it prior. Okay, and now coming to the choice filling. Before coming choice filling, you have seat matrix. Okay, so by now you must have seen that you have got a link for seat matrix. Seat matrix is one of the very important ingredient that you must study, analyze based on your branch, based on your category, and based on the state you belong to. Okay, so how many seats you have in particular state for particular branch and for the category you belong to. Okay, so you can go ahead on the left side in the download section, you can click on the seat matrix, and that will have a PDF downloaded to you, and you will have the seat matrix there, and you need to study it, spend some time to study. That will give you good idea. Okay, and second ingredient you need to have before you start with the choice filling is last year seat allotment. Okay, that will give you a very good idea about the counseling, the seat allocation and the cutoff mark. Okay, that will also give you idea about which is the good college and which is which is the order in ascending or descending order based on the quality of colleges. Okay, so the college which got very low cutoff means the college that got filled early is the better college, and the college which got filled after, that is relatively a poorer college. Okay, so these analysis you can do, and after you have these things analyzed. Okay, and one more update, by now we have tuition fee also published. okay, for deemed universities. So after you have those things in front of you and you have a very good close look at them, and you have a little bit of analysis and idea about it, then only move ahead to the most important part of the counseling, choice filling. So we'll discuss how to do the choice filling, how to approach it, so that we should be getting the best result. Any point of time, if you are not able to spend time, or not able to understand the process, or not able to analyze the seat matrix or the last year allocation sheet, then you can contact us. We will help you in that process, because that is very important process before you go ahead and select any college in the choice filling. Okay, some of the time people think that, okay, uh, the better the better chances of a particular college in your rank, it should be coming on top, and when we put it on top, the chances becomes even higher. It's a wrong perception. Let me explain you how website and the software, the coding behind the website works, behind works upon the choice filling you have done. So it looks at as serial wise. So it will first look at the first option you have given. If you didn't get in particular rank, okay, so it will go on the second option. Suppose at nth option you got that college, so that college will be allocated to you, and any college that you have filled in the choice filling order after that nth college won't be looked at. Okay, so you have to fill the choice filling in such a way that the and before that, let's see, there are many factors you need to consider for the choice filling. The one factor you need to consider is the number of years in bond for particular college in particular state. Okay, that's one of the very important thing. Unless otherwise, you might get a college which you were not intended to get actually. Okay, so have a close look on the bond year, okay, for the college you are going to put in particular order. Okay, second thing, you need to have the amount of stipend in front of you, and better colleges you put on top, the older colleges you put on top. Okay, so this is the order it should be, and there is no limitation. There is actually no limitation how many colleges you can put. You can put n number of colleges, or you can put all the colleges that is coming into the list or your options. Okay, some of the time people think, or a candidate think that, uh, I think 10 colleges or 20 colleges or 30 colleges is more than enough. It's not like that. You can have 100 colleges, 150 colleges, 200, 500 colleges or so. You can include everything. Okay, it will just, the software will analyze, look at it at in the serial order, and the college you got, it won't look after the college you have allocated. Okay, so put the best college on top. And coming to the minority candidates, the candidate who is belonging to Jain minority, Muslim minority, Sikh minority, so the colleges, the Muslim minority colleges will be displayed only to the candidate who is coming, who is belonging to Muslim minority. Okay, no other candidate will be having the college, the Muslim minority college will not be displayed to any other candidate than Muslim minority candidate. Okay, similarly, the seats for NRI quota will be displayed only for the students who come from NRI quota. Okay, so there are many things like that. And if you have any questions, like you had done the registration at the time of before examination as EWS quota, okay, but you were not able to uh, receive EWS quota, or the document was not document is not ready with you, and you want to go ahead with a general category. Okay, so you can go ahead and go to the contact us section. There you have option to write an email to mcc.nic.in, and in that mail you can mention whatever issues you are facing in couple of days, because in couple of days they will revert, and then you can do the counseling process, choice filling. So any uh, once you like select few colleges in the choice filling, you should keep on saving it, okay? Otherwise then the server expires, like it times out, then and then you try to save, then all your hard work just to fill and select the colleges will be wasted. So you should have a habit of saving within like 1 minute of time. So and the field, the choice filling that you have done can be changed in any at any point of time until 22nd. So if you don't lock it uh, and you forget to lock the choice filling, then automatically by the end date it will be in, or end time it will be locked automatically. So any point of time, if you want to change the order or sequence of particular college, so you can move it up or move it down. These things are very accessible and user friendly. The website is user friendly, okay? And you can see in the news in event section on the right side in that those the list of candidates you can get there, those who applied for NRI quota. So there are plenty of them, and you can get the notification for AFMS candidates, the notice that has been issued for those candidates. So you can download it from the website. So this is the pretty much. And one more thing I just wanted to cover is, suppose you have done the registration and you opted for only all India quota, okay? So in the second round of the counseling, means the first round is over, in the second round you want to do the counseling for deemed colleges also due to some reason, then you have option there to reset, and you can opt for deemed also. You need to do the payment, and in the second round counseling you can opt for all India quota as well as deemed university. And suppose someone didn't take part in the first round of counseling, MCC round 1, the candidate didn't participate, still the candidate has option to register freshly in the second round. So there is nothing like uh, if you have not registered, still you have chance, you can go ahead and register directly in second round. People think that the first round is free exit round, so anything that we select is not going to harm us, it's not mandatory to report to the college, we can leave it. It's true, it's a round where you can do hit and trial and you can do little bit of practice, but the first round is the most important round because all the seats are available in front of you. So you don't take it lightly and do the choice filling in very appropriate order. Otherwise by just simple mistake or just putting one college in the sequence wrongly, you might get that college allocated, and you have to repent on that later. So check the sequence in couple of times before you are going to lock or leave it. So and you have to consider all the factors, whether you want in that state, or just put the top colleges on the top colleges, best colleges on top, and the colleges which you are looking for in particular location, okay? It should be in order. It all depends on your preference. So based on the preference you just create a list of colleges, and then you can uh, log into the website and select the same colleges over there. So this is the pretty much I wanted to cover regarding MCC choice filling, and it's not very complicated process. When you go to website and do the choice filling, it's simple, but the order which you decide that in this order I'm going to uh, do the choice filling is very important, and before that you have to do analysis to get the best result, okay? There are a number of factors. So anytime you feel that okay, you need to discuss on how to approach for the counseling and how to do analysis in particular rank, what you can get, what is the possibility. So there are many factors that you need to consider. Okay, so you can put your comment in the video, or you can call us to the number given in the description. Okay, so that's it for today's. We'll keep you updated, and to have a watch on the activities going on for state and all India counseling. Just subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.